Hi, it's Angela at Colton RV and Marine, and you're taking a look at the 2026 Momentum G-Class 29GS. Right off the bat, we got a dual entry here, making it easy for access for just the garage. You have the Rockford Fosgate marine grade speakers up front. They really kick it. You have the large awning that goes over the entry door here. Covers a good amount of space for those sunny days. Coming around front here, we have a 6,000 watt inverter that can be started right from inside of the coach or on the outside here for dry camping. Coming around, we have an easy way to disconnect from your solar when you're not at camp. Also for the inverter, motion lights here, so in case you are going in the dark that you can see. Coming around to the side here, we have the wet bay. It's pretty easy to follow instruction. They got it all played out for you here. Like I said, if you are dry camping, they have both marked here for city water and if you're just filling up. It's also you can use for your winterization. Coming around over to the back, we are equipped with a 30-gallon fuel station. When you're running into those long lines at bike week and you just don't want to sit up there and spend your whole day trying to figure out a plan around gas, you can just fill up here. Comes right out. You're able to put whatever kind of fuel you want in here, 93. You even have a gauge here to help keep track. You have a fuel gauge inside as well. Coming around the back, you can have this set up as a patio, but we're going to have it set up as a ramp to show you how easy it is to load in the Momentum G-Class. But before we do that, come with me up to the ramp. We have it in the loading position now. We have both benches, which are usually down here on the ground and can be used as a dining area. We have that up and flattened away, and then the bed is above that. Everything here is controlled here on this Happy Jack system. It's all electric, so no breaking your back trying to get all set up for camp. We even have thought of the little guys at mine. So we got a little stand right here. No kicking over water dishes. There are 9 tie downs. You can easily fit 2 good-sized Harleys in here for bike week. Full closet, throw your gear in here. So Brandon's kind enough to give us a demo on how to load and strap in your dirt bike or whatever toys you're bringing with you for the weekend or road trip. So once you have it loaded in, it's pretty simple after this. You're just gonna pull the straps over the bike. You'll have them clamped in already. Each D-ring is rated for 2,500 pounds. Secure the dirt bike into place. So as you can see, you have an 11 by 8 garage here. You have plenty of room for another dirt bike, so you can fully pack in for the weekend. So we're gonna head into the kitchen and living space. You have a large slide here with the theater seating. You can pull this up and make a full couch. You have this wonderful counter area here. You can pull this up too, just for extra space. You have a nice deep farm style sink. With a drying rack. You have a pull-out garbage can, so you don't have to have that out anywhere or spend a whole day trying to figure out where you're going to put it. You have these big, large cabinets. Everything is soft close. You have a wonderful Furrion microwave. Your stove right below here with an oven. You have your larger drawers down here for pots, pans, spatulas. You have a nice size fridge here, plenty of condiments, fit a turkey in there if you want. And here's your TV up here. You got a storage space behind here. This is on a swivel. Coming through here, you have your control panel, the fuel gauge. You have your generator starter here, so you can start it right from here on those colder mornings. You have furnace and AC here, 1 of 2. We got the bathroom with a dual entry. You have this wonderful shower curtain that does not get any mold on it because it squeegees off all the water. There's no tracks here to clean out the mold or anything in there. Porcelain toilet. full medicine cabinet. You have a Fugatti hot water system here. Coming through the second entry here, you have a full queen size bed. You have a wardrobe slide here, which leaves a lot of extra room. This bed folds up very nicely and effortlessly for plenty of storage underneath here for all extra gear. And then you have this nice side table here. You can fit whatever you need to, any medical devices or anything like that. And then here is your second AC and heating right here in your bedroom, so you can control that right from bed. You have these large closets with hanging space. Taking a closer look at the slide wall. You got two doors that open up here. Plenty of room. Nice deep drawers. Slide out very nicely. You got two sides here. If you're just a diva and need extra space, or you're traveling with friends, loved ones, kids, extra space in here as well. Thanks for taking this tour with me on the Grand Design Momentum 29GS. If you have any questions about this unit, you can reach me directly at 716-694-0188. My extension's 473. Have a great day.